about their future. And the third is, at the production stage, they need to answer what he or she wants to do in their future by using a complete sentence and briefly talk about the job in the interview. And this is our topic. Our topic is occupation. And the target language structure is, what do you want to be in the future? I want to be and these are the vocabulary we want them to know. For example, firefighter, car mechanic, pilot, barber, doctor, nurse, astronaut, judge, lawyer, actor, writer, chef, and waiter. We want them to realize these vocabulary and they could be able to know how to say their job name. And the language skill we are going to use is speaking and integrates with listening, reading, and writing. For the teaching materials, we'll have flashcards, PPT, worksheets, and the video from YouTube. And the anticipated problem we might see is that students may not pronounce the vocabulary correctly, and they are not willing to speak English. So that we have come up some solution that the teacher will speak slowly and repeat more than one time. And teacher will use some activities to let students speak English. Next, let's welcome Maggie and Eva to talk about the presentation stage.
Now I'm going to talk about the presentation stage. In this stage, first teacher will ask students what job can you think of, and then later we will show you a video about occupation, and you need to listen carefully and write down the occupation that is here, and show the student a video. After students watch the video, ask volunteer to write down the word on the blackboard. If they are not able to write down the blackboard, the teacher will replay the video again. This is our video.
I see a firefighter fighting fires. I see a car mechanic changing tires. I see a pilot flying through the air. I see a barber cutting people's hair. I see the
And after watch the video, the teacher will ask students how many jobs interested in the video, and ask volunteer to write down the vocabulary on the blackboard. If they are not able to write the vocabulary, the teacher will replay the video again. And next, teacher will ask students what do you want to be in the future and why. Let's welcome Ina to the video.
And in the next part, teacher will teach students about the occupation. And there is our vocabulary: firefighter, car mechanic, pilot, barber, doctor, nurse, astronaut, judge, lawyer, actor, writer, chef, and waiter. And teacher will teach the vocabulary with flashcards and do the oral repetition. And let students repeat after the teacher or introduce the definition through the video. Later we will teach students the marker sentence. How do you want to be in the future? And student can answer, I want to be a teacher. And show the sentence on the blackboard and the student repeat after teacher for 3 times. And put vocabulary into the sentence. And in the end we will sing a song together to review all the vocabulary. And for our stage end or presentation stage is in order to get close to the student
skill focus is speaking, writing, and reading. We will divide students into 5 groups, and we will first distribute worksheet to every student, and each group has a teacher to interview them so that students and teacher will have a short conversation about what they want to be in the future. And then for those students who have done their interview, they will go back to their seats and finish their worksheet. And this is our worksheet. And at the end of our lesson, we will check the answer of our worksheet. And the stage end is to check whether students know how to pronounce the vocabulary clearly and whether they are able to answer